loving oyagala kola kaviri oshanane. Maurice, the Crochetmaster.
Yes, on this hairstyle, I'm just going to be very, very quick and speedy because we have been doing this, though I have never done it before on this channel, but I know most of you guys know how to do it. So as I'm repeating, that's something that I want to make clear here when you're doing this kind of a hairstyle. And those ones who have different types of hair extension, you can still copy this method. It is going to help you when you're doing yours. Yes, most people have been doing it, and still I'm also doing it, so you can choose from comparing, and then what you see that is going to be easy for you, it is what you're going to take. Yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochetmaster, and I work at Hair by Clippers, that is Hair by Clippers with Z, and we are located in Intinda Ministers Village, that is on alongside Sonatu Road, and still we have a branch in Barra City, and that is in Kamukuzi behind Bam petrol station. You can always come for the hair services. We got you covered. Now, as we're continuing, I told you, like, we're going to be speedy here so that we can get the real treasure for this hairstyle, because it is so amazing and people are loving it. Yes, what you shouldn't forget is the hair extension is called Miami. The hair extension is called Miami from a Darling Company, Uganda. So if you want to order it for yourself, you can always get it from Darling Company, Uganda. So let's continue with our tutorial and see how it's going to be.
Hair by clippers. 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 Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe.
Right, after we are done with this, this is very simple. I'm just going to separate this into 3 portions, and this is what I always have to do. And then I try to make the knotless method plating just like this, and then I just keep on adding on. This is very simple, and most of you guys know how to do it. So the only thing is you just have to maintain the body. You have to maintain the extension. Yeah, it's supposed to be, if it's in medium, then it should be that way, because I always tell you that the extension that you add on the hair is supposed to be equivalent to the hair. So you shouldn't add a big extension on the small hair. No, that is wrong. We just have to keep maintaining the real extension, the body for the extension to the hair that we are using. So let's continue doing this and see how it is going to look like.
oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko Hair by clippers Hair by clippers Hair by clippers Hair by clippers Confidence eri mu kikumi we give it out tetuleka you we the best to none anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga tuli ba big baller, shot callers, tukola kwaba bazewulira. So high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splashy. Everybody, clippers, we the best. 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 Yeah, everybody, clippers. Everybody, clippers. Yeah, everybody, clippers. Everybody, clippers. Yeah, everybody, clippers. Everybody, clippers. Everybody, clippers. Everybody, clippers. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe.
So after everything is done, we are going to do our finishing. You can see the hair is really very long, but according to her face, I see like there's still something that we can do, and it just comes out very nicely, because when you look at it, it is just normal. So what you do here, you just have to be careful as you're trimming, because remember her hair is in there, so you just have to trim looking at the length of her hair, so that you shouldn't trim it, you shouldn't cut it. Yes, so you just have to be careful when it comes to that. So now I'm just going to make it very easy for her to easy to style it, and very comfortable for her, because we don't I've been seeing people doing this same thing, though it is light, but they make it to be too much. Yet you can always do it simple and looks like this. So let's continue and see how it is going to be. But remember, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers with Z. So let's see how it's going to look. And if you have any comment, you can always go in my comment section, tell me what you feel about this hairstyle, and tell me where you're watching this video from, and I'll be there to answer you. Remember, it is called Miami. Yes, it's called Miami from Darling Company. So you will love it when you order for it. Bye bye, see you in my other next video, and may God keep blessing you all. See ya.
Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wo moyaka. Maurice, the Crochetmaster, did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice, the Crochetmaster, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The Crochetmaster. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh, no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The Crochetmaster. He got the touch of a Crochetmaster. Yeah. No. Maurice got the touch of a Crochetmaster. No. He got the touch of a Crochetmaster. Yeah. A touch of a Crochetmaster. Maurice. Yeah. He got the touch of a Crochetmaster. Maurice. Your Crochetmaster. Maurice. Your Crochetmaster. No. Touch of a Crochetmaster. He's so good. need a little loving. Oh, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Domuko no mukugo bumaniche kukora. Kitake wa Crochetmaster. Yakuku kamo viri kati master. Makeup one a genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, you a Crochetmaster. Come on. Jangu, Jangu.